Hello and welcome to the section 2 of the course Exploitation Techniques. Now in this section we are going to take a look at various points. First of all, we will learn about what is exploitation and what are the various techniques available, and then we will learn that how you can perform exploitation with the help of Kali Linux. So now let's start with the first video, exploitation process. In this video we are going to take a look at couple of points. First of all, we will learn about what is exploitation and then the overall process. So let's talk about exploitation. What is exploitation and what are the goals available? Exploitation is basically a process to attack on the victim machine and take access. For example, we have Kali Linux and Windows machine, right? So Kali Linux machine will work as an attacker machine and Windows machine will work as a victim machine. So we will try to attack on the Windows machine with the help of Kali Linux. And then we will take access of the victim machine, which is Windows. This is basically called exploitation, and get the access of the victim machine. If we talk about the process of exploitation, so first of all we have attacker machine. As I already told you that we have Kali Linux machine, it will work as an attacker machine. With the help of this attacker machine, we are going to create a payload. For example, a malware, a virus or a Trojan. And our goal is to send this payload to the victim machine. And we already have a victim machine, which is Windows machine. So we are going to create payload with the help of Kali Linux Metasploit. And then we will send it in the victim machine, which is Windows. Next step is to send this to the Windows machine, and with the help of this payload we are going to get the session, and with the help of this session we are going to take deep access in the victim machine. The next step is basically with the help of this payload we can get access in the victim machine, and we can take help of Metasploit because there are various exploits available in the Metasploit. We can take help of them and then we can take access. We can exploit the victim machine. So we have to send a file, and with the help of that file we can take access. This is called exploitation. And now I can take information from the Windows machine. For example, I can gather information about the processes running in the Windows machine. I can also gather information about the hashes available inside it. So this is called exploitation.